Alright, so welcome to Pbteck, and in this video, as the title says, I'm going to give you the DSTV South Africa customer care number if you are to activate a new decoder or you are having some error on your DSTV decoder and you would like to actually contact them. The number will be on your screen, but for you to check those current working numbers, all you got to do is to pick up your DSTV remote and press on the blue logo, which will take you to the menu. And on the menu here, use the arrow left and right keys and look for help. So when you find help, you come down to the first option, which is the contact us over here. You press OK on it. On this page, put it on the call option, which is the third option over here. And as you can see, we have the SA number over there, South African numbers. So you pick which state that you are and then you call. All right, so make sure that you have enough airtime before calling them. They're going to deduct as a normal calling rate. So if you find this video helpful, when you hear, you got to do subscribe, hit the bell icon, and you come back for more. Thanks for watching.